Hello from Slovenia again. I have just a tiny little bit of those fluorescent neon paints left, and because of that I normally do some coasters. I have some pearl white and black too, and because it's a Halloween season I will try to do some, dip with two coasters to create kind of a wicked forest look. So let's see if this will work today. So I have some pearl white that I will just put a puddle in the middle. I love those dips for the coasters, and they are cute for some gifts or something, so always nice to have them. Some fluorescent yellow, fluorescent orange, and now I will blow in this puddle, just like that, in the middle. And now I will press them together. And squeeze them to cover the whole thing. Spread them apart. Whoop. Okay. For the next two, I will maybe use a little less pearl white, but I kind of love them. They are, whoop, Halloweenish in a way. Just a touch of pearl white in the middle. This is more what I was hoping for. See that moon and the glow around. It's beautiful. I know that it looks a little weird now, but it should look pretty cool under the black light, and I will show it to you the result under the black light too. So just have two more, but I will do those two in a different way, you know. And these are, you know, coasters don't necessarily need to be 4, 6. Sometimes it's a nice present for a couple, just two, one for her and one for him or whatever. Okay, so I will add some pearl white. With this technique, if you want to have these 3 branches kind of effect, you have to pay attention that you don't add too much paint on your surface, because otherwise it will not kind of suck this paint together, and when you separate them they create that tree effect. This technique is really easy but effective technique for my taste. Okay, and here I will start with, I will drizzle just a little more pearl white, just like that. And I will start with green, and I will just add a line here and some blue. Some purple. Some pink. I layer them, the colors, down the opposite way that I did on the previous 4. And I will drizzle some black. Okay, same thing, press them together, squeeze them, and spread them apart. Kind of not sure about this one, so I will pour the line here and do another dip in the other way. And maybe I want the same order that I had those. Yeah, I like that much more. So now I will put them here, and then I will turn off the light and show them to you under the black light. And to me, well, I don't know how they look either. So here they are just on the normal light. I see a woman here. This is the first pair. It's so hard because of the light. This is the second one. And the third/fourth one. Wow. I love them. First one, weird. See how the moon was white and now is black under the black light. White is black under the black light. They definitely are a little spooky, aren't they? Okay. So this is something that you can do for a gift or for having some fun with kids for Halloween. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next one. Bye!